Hey guys, this is Aaron from Geeky Development and welcome to our weekly Tuesday tutorial. And this week I'll be showing you how to add view transitions when switching views. Now I'll be carrying on from a previous tutorial where I showed you how to switch views using XCode 4. And this is the project here which we created. And all we will be doing this week is adding the view transition. So if you would like to learn how to switch views, simply click the annotation here. This will take you back to the previous video where I showed you how to switch views. So make sure you go check that out. But now we'll add in our view transitions to our views here. Now if you notice here, we got the main view here and our second view here. Both of them contain the code to switch from one view back to the other. So in the main view here, we'll simply, after the first line of code here, we'll press enter. Now switching views only contains one line of code, so it's very quick and very easy to understand. So we just zoom in for you now. And we start the line of code by typing second, as that's the name of our switching view here. And we do dot, and we type in module transition style, just there. We do space equals space. And we type in capital UI module transition style. Now we just get rid of the cross dissolve here. Now XCode provides you 4 basic transitions, and if you notice without a transition the view just simply slides up, and that is known as the cover vertical, which is the basic and default transition XCode sets. So we don't really need to show you that one as it's already the default transition, but I'll show you the cross dissolve one. So we simply press enter on that and end it with a semicolon. So we just can simply save that, as that's all the code that's needed to add a transition style. I'm going to zoom out. So once it's cross dissolved into our second view, which is here, we'll add a transition on this coding. So once it's cross dissolved into our second view, we can switch back with another transition. So again, I'll zoom in for you again, and we start with second again, dot module transition style space equals space capital UI transition style. Let's get rid of the cross dissolve as we've already used that one, and we'll use flip horizontal and then that with a semicolon. Simply save that and zoom out. We'll simply build and run. So once I've shown you the 2 transition styles here, we'll go to the third one, which is partial curl. So just wait for the iPhone simulator to load up the project. Now adding view transitions into your project does make your switching views a lot more fun. It makes the project look a little bit better rather than have the views just simply slide up. So okay, now once it's loaded, the first button here will switch to our second view with a cross dissolve transition. So there we go, it just simply dissolves, and that is my favourite transition out of the 4. So then once it's transitioned to the second view, we simply click on the button, and this one will flip horizontally back to the main view. So we simply click it, and there's a horizontal flip. That is a great transition there, and it's quite fun to look at. So again, cross dissolve, sorry, and horizontal flip. So we just quit the iPhone simulator and then change the horizontal flip here. Ooh. Style, and we go to partial curl and save that. Go back to build and run. Now we've entered the second view, so the first view is still cross dissolve, but the second view will be partial curl. So just wait for it to load up, there we go. So we click it for a cross dissolve, and then we click at the bottom here to switch back to our main view, but this one is a partial curl. So it partially curls up the view, showing you the main view there. Now this transition is usually used for when you have like a settings menu and you quickly want to set the settings, and it will switch back to the main view. So just quick iPhone simulator there. So that's simply how you add view transitions when switching views. All the source code for this project can be found on my website at www.geekylemon.com. The link will be in the description below. So that's it this week. I hope this helps you in any of your apps or projects at the moment. Make sure you favourite and like the video so you have it for future reference. Also follow and like us on Facebook and Twitter. All the links will be in the description below, as well as the links to a few of our apps which are currently on the App Store. Make sure you go check them out. And most importantly, if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe, and also check out the source code for this project, which is on our website. And again, that's it this week. I'll see you all next week in the next tutorial.